In today's video, we are going to cover how to apply early payment discounts in QuickBooks Online. Begin in QuickBooks Online and open Sales and Get Paid. From there, select Customers and Leads so you can view the customer list and locate the account tied to the unpaid invoice. This is where you will start the payment process because the discount needs to be applied as part of receiving the customer payment. Select the customer who has the outstanding invoice. When the customer record opens, look for the option to receive a payment. You can choose Receive Payment directly from the customer page, or you can open the invoice first and then choose Receive Payment from there. Either path brings you to the same payment window, so use the one that matches what you are looking at on your screen. Once the payment window is open, enter the amount the customer is paying. This amount should reflect the payment after any eligible early payment discount based on the terms you have agreed on for that invoice. If the customer is taking a discount for paying within the allowed time frame, make sure the total payment entered matches that reduced amount. In the same payment window, look for the discount field if it is available in your form. Enter the discount amount there so QuickBooks can apply it correctly against the invoice. If your screen does not present a separate discount field, adjust the payment amount according to your discount terms and continue with care so the remaining balance reflects the intended reduction. The goal is to show both the payment and the discount accurately in the transaction. Before saving, review the invoice balance shown in the payment window. Confirm that the payment amount and the discount have been applied the way you expect. Pay close attention to the remaining balance. If the discount was entered correctly, the invoice should reflect the reduced amount due and should not leave an unexpected balance behind. This is the point where a small mismatch can be caught before it affects your records. If something does not look right, update the payment amount or the discount field before moving on. If everything matches the invoice terms and the customer payment, you are ready to save it. To finish, click Record and Close if you want to save the payment and return to the previous screen, or click Record if you want to stay in the current workflow after saving. Either option records the transaction with the payment and discount applied to the invoice. The early payment discount has now been applied, and the customer payment has been recorded on the invoice.